Hello, welcome back to our videos. Today we are going to show you how biotechnology works on bread making. Let's go! This our biology subject group.
Kami dari kelompok 3 akan menyajikan video tentang bioteknologi, yaitu pembuatan protein. Namun sebelum mulai videonya, perkenalkan diri kami masing-masing dengan saya sendiri Muhammad Nabi Sehari.
Saya Dita Adalia.
Saya Muhammad Nabi.
First, ingredients. Add powdered milk, then stir. Add sugar and add cake yeast. This is how biotechnology works. In the process of making bread, namely when the cake yeast is active, then add 500 grams of flour. Add 1 egg and add cake emulsifier, then stir until smooth. If it is almost smooth, add melted margarine and stir again. Then form into several parts of the dough. Wait about approximately 30-60 minutes until the dough expands. Then put the chocolate filling that has been made into the dough that has risen, then close again. Make a few pieces of plastic as a base for the cake when steamed so it doesn't stick. Then, steam for about 10-12 minutes until the cake is quite cooked and soft. Finally, steamed buns ready to serve. Look the inside of the buns. It looks so delicious. Yup, that's all how biotechnology work on process making bread. Thank you for watching. See ya!